Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we delve into the fascinating topic of manifesting your specific person, drawing inspiration from the teachings of Neville Goddard. Our purpose here is to empower you to attract that special someone into your life at the speed of light. Understanding the principles of manifestation is crucial, and one of the key elements is recognizing your state of consciousness. This awareness plays a vital role in shaping your reality and influencing the outcomes you desire. By aligning your thoughts and feelings with your intentions, you can create a powerful magnetic force that draws your specific person closer to you. We aim to engage you in this transformative journey, encouraging you to take control of your reality and embrace the power within you. Remember, your beliefs and perceptions shape your experiences, so it's essential to cultivate a mindset that reflects the love and connection you seek. As we explore these concepts together, we invite you to open your mind and heart to the possibilities that lie ahead. With the right mindset and techniques, you can manifest your specific person and create the relationship of your dreams. Let's embark on this exciting journey of self-discovery and manifestation, unlocking the secrets to attracting love effortlessly. The concept of state of consciousness is fundamental in the realm of manifesting desires, particularly when it comes to attracting your specific person. Essentially, your state of consciousness refers to the mental and emotional framework through which you perceive and interact with the world. It plays a crucial role in shaping your reality, as your thoughts and beliefs directly influence the experiences you attract into your life. When you maintain a positive and empowered state of consciousness, you align yourself with the energy of love and connection, making it easier to draw in the person you desire. Conversely, negative thoughts or limiting beliefs can create barriers that hinder your manifestations. It's vital to recognize that your subconscious mind often holds consent to unwanted realities, which can manifest as self-doubt or fear. This awareness allows you to identify and shift any negative patterns that may be sabotaging your efforts. By consciously choosing thoughts that reflect your desires and affirming your worthiness of love, you can transform your state of consciousness into a powerful tool for attraction. Ultimately, understanding and cultivating a positive state of consciousness is essential for manifesting the relationship you truly want, enabling you to create a fulfilling and loving connection with your specific person. As we explore the journey of manifesting your specific person, it's essential to take a moment to reflect on your current relationship dynamics. Consider whether you are experiencing challenges such as ghosting, the presence of third parties, or a lack of communication. These situations can often create feelings of frustration and confusion, making it crucial to assess how they impact your emotional state. Take this opportunity for self-reflection and delve into your feelings of love, desire, and commitment. Are you truly aligned with the relationship you envision, or are there underlying fears and doubts that need addressing? Recognizing these emotions can provide valuable insights into your current mindset and its influence on your relationship. Remember, the power to change your relationship outcomes lies within you. By shifting your mindset and focusing on positive affirmations, you can transform your perception of the situation. Embrace the belief that you deserve love and connection, and visualize the ideal relationship you wish to manifest. This shift in perspective can create a ripple effect, altering the dynamics with your specific person and opening the door to new possibilities. Ultimately, your thoughts and feelings are powerful tools that can reshape your reality, leading you toward the fulfilling relationship you desire. Visualizing your desired relationship with your specific person is a powerful tool in the manifestation process. It's essential to focus on positive interactions and feelings, as this sets the tone for what you wish to attract. When you visualize, immerse yourself in the emotions of joy, love, and connection that you would experience in your ideal relationship. Imagine the laughter, the shared moments, and the deep conversations that bring you closer together. By feeling as if your desires are already fulfilled, you align your energy with the reality you wish to create, making it more likely to manifest. One effective technique for visualization is to practice it before sleep. As you prepare for rest, find a quiet space where you can relax and close your eyes. Picture your specific person in vivid detail, engaging in the experiences you desire. Allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with these moments, letting them wash over you. This practice not only reinforces your intentions, but also allows your subconscious mind to absorb these positive images while you sleep, enhancing the manifestation process. By consistently visualizing your desired relationship, you cultivate a strong belief in its possibility, paving the way for it to become your reality. Affirmations play a crucial role in the manifestation process as they help to affirm the truth of your desires and bring them into your reality. By consistently repeating positive statements about your relationship and your specific person, you reinforce your belief in the possibility of achieving your dreams. This practice is essential because belief is the foundation upon which manifestation is built. As you affirm your desires, it's important to cultivate feelings of enthusiasm and excitement about your new reality. Embracing these emotions not only elevates your vibration, but also aligns you with the energy of what you wish to attract. When you genuinely feel excited about your future, you send out powerful signals to the universe that you are ready to receive. Additionally, incorporating sensory vividness into your affirmations can significantly enhance their effectiveness. Instead of merely stating your desires, engage all your senses to create a rich, immersive experience. Visualize the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with your desired relationship, making your affirmations more tangible and impactful. This sensory engagement deepens your emotional connection to your desires, making them feel more real and achievable. By combining affirmations with enthusiasm and sensory vividness, you empower yourself to manifest the love and connection you truly desire. Incorporating crystals and essential oils into your manifestation practice can significantly enhance your vibrational alignment, helping you attract your specific person more effectively. Certain crystals, such as rose quartz, are renowned for their ability to promote love and emotional healing, while amethyst can enhance intuition and spiritual awareness. By carrying or placing these crystals in your environment, you create a supportive energy that resonates with your desires. Similarly, essential oils like lavender and ylang-ylang can elevate your mood and foster a sense of calm, making it easier to focus on your intentions. The aromatic properties of these oils can help you connect with your desires on a deeper level, amplifying your manifestation efforts. We encourage you to explore these powerful tools as part of your daily practice, integrating them into your visualization and affirmation routines. To further support your journey, we are excited to announce the launch of our new Instagram site dedicated to sharing content related to crystals and manifestation. This platform will provide you with tips, inspiration, and community support as you navigate your manifestation journey. Join us to connect with like-minded individuals and discover how crystals and essential oils can enhance your ability to manifest the love and relationships you desire. As we wrap up this discussion, let's recap the key points that are essential for attracting your specific person. We highlighted the significance of your state of consciousness, emphasizing how your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. By maintaining a positive mindset, you can align yourself with the love and connection you desire. Additionally, we explored the power of visualization, encouraging you to immerse yourself in the emotions and experiences of your ideal relationship. Remember, feeling as if your desires are already fulfilled is crucial in manifesting them into your life. We also discussed the benefits of using affirmations, crystals, and essential oils to enhance your vibrational alignment and support your manifestation journey. Now it's time to take action. Implement the techniques we've shared, such as visualization before sleep and incorporating affirmations into your daily routine. We invite you to engage with us further by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends who may benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more content focused on manifestation and personal growth. Together, let's continue this journey of attracting love and creating the fulfilling relationships we all desire. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.